So hello everybody, how are you today? In today's video we're going to go through Microsoft's roadmap for 2020. So which features they are going to release or they plan to release for Power BI 2020. There will be more than this that I'm going to mention, but this is their official roadmap, things that they will committed to deliver. There is also a roadmap for Power Apps, Power Automate. In case you want to check it out, I'm just going to cover in this video Power BI, okay? So some of the cool things are very, very cool. A lot of enterprise features, I understand why they do it, but I really want them to focus a bit more into Power BI desktop and, creating reports, but I understand why they do it. Anyhow, so are you ready? Let's get started. So this is what we're going to do. Here we have a Power BI and they have the release features for desktop, embedded, mobile, and surveys. So for Power BI desktop, the first one that they have is visual personalization for end users. And this I think is really weird that it's on the desktop because this is a Power BI service feature for what I understand. And I have seen this in action, but I don't know where. But here it says that the public preview is in April 2020. So obviously it's not been released. I don't know. Maybe I saw it in one of these Ignite things that they show things that they plan to release. So what this is basically is you're a Power BI consumer. So they share a Power BI report with you where it's full with pie charts everywhere, and you hate pie charts as much as I do, so you want to change them for bar charts. So you can actually do that. Even if you are not the author and you don't have editing rights for the report, you will be able to change that visual as for any visuals that you want, only for you, okay? Again, I think this is a Power BI service. It wouldn't make sense to make it on the desktop, but we leave it unsaid. So, composite models over Power BI and Azure Analysis Services. This is an enterprise feature, which means that if you have a Power BI report that you've created yourself as a business user and you want to combine it with a analysis services report that your IT department is maintaining, then you can do that. You couldn't do that before. So in August 2020, there will be a public preview for that and you will be able to do it. Drill through buttons. Now, drill through capability in Power BI is absolutely amazing. It is out of this world. There is a problem, and it's a big problem, and it is very hard to discover. It is very hard to know if that visual has a drill through or not, or a drill down. So what they've done now is that they have, you will have the ability to create a button that drills through another report instead of, this secretful right click or arrow down or double arrow or whatever it is. So this is will be generally available on April 2020, and we'll see how it looks. I think there should be a better way than a button, to be honest, but let's see. Let's see how they implement it. Filter pane migration. And here's the thing, the new filter pane that was released, and they've been testing it for the longest time. Now they say, okay, in April 2020, all reports will be migrated to the new filter experience. Hallelujah. Yes, you should have done that a long time ago. Office ribbon in Power BI desktop. It will be generally available in April 2020. That's good, I think. And yeah, I don't think there's much to say about that. Personalized visualization pane. Report authors can customize their visualization pane by removing Power BI visuals. You've been able to do that since September, and it will be generally available in 2020. Fine. This is going to be a biggie for a lot of people, and it is the hierarchy slicer. And there is a custom visual for that, but a lot of companies do not allow custom visuals, so Microsoft has decided to get the functionality in the core visualization in Power BI. So this is a great thing. I don't like the look and feel, but probably will get better when it gets released. This, ladies and gentlemen, this is the best thing of 2020, for sure, for so many reasons. Incremental refresh is going to be generally available on May 2020, but that's not the news. The news is here in small letters. Anyone with a Power BI Pro license will be able to use the feature. This is big. For, again, so many reasons. Usability for the environment, for everything. This is just absolutely wonderful. May 2020 is going to be the Power BI year. The Power BI feature of the year, I mean. Okay, direct query support for artificial intelligence visuals. That's great. Decomposition 2 is going to be generally available. Conditional formatting for totals and subtotals. Thank goodness. That was also something that should be done a long time ago. Also, I would like the shape map out of preview, please, and put legends on the maps. It's absolutely. I mean, there are some basic things that should be fixed before doing a lot of stuff. Automatic page refresh. And this is another that has me confused. Page refresh has been released in November or December as a public preview, but here it doesn't say it. And it says that it's going to be generally available in 2020. Maybe they forgot to put it in there, probably. So this is for Power BI Desktop. For Power BI Embed, scale out with Azure capacity resources. In place update. Okay, Power BI Mobile, dark mode. Power BI Mobile. We need to have a better way to author Power BI Mobile reports, visuals that are made for mobile, and not have to reuse the visuals that we already have to create special visuals for mobile. Until less, I don't think it's useful. Power BI service. Okay, tons of stuff. Enterprise. Data flows, direct queries. So Power BI Data Flow will support the direct query. Signups integration. I've heard about it. I haven't read about what it is, but there is going to be an integration in case you know what it is. API to render paginated report to any format. Copy and paste the visuals into other applications. Here's the thing. People, if you want to share a visual with somebody on Teams, like it shows here, or an email, people are going to print screen, right? They're going to do it. So the fact that you can actually copy and paste in an easier way with something that you can already do, why not? I think it's good. Obviously, there is always the risk. And I hope that when it copies the title and everything, just so it gets framed properly. But email subscriptions with bookmarks. So you can bookmark something, say, okay, I want to bookmark this for a specific place. And then you can email that with the bookmark on. This is going to be definitely useful. Improve RDL. I don't know what RDL is, but it's something for paginated report. So migration tooling for paginated reports. This is good. This is to move away for paginated reports. I still haven't had anybody that convinced me why paginated reports are good. But this I'm happy for. Get away from paginated reports. It's 2020. New look. Okay, so they're going to improve the look and feel of the apps. That's great. Doesn't say what. New Power BI geographical locations in Germany, China, Switzerland, and Norway. Where's Sweden? I heard that Sweden was going to get that, but I don't know where it is. Organizational visuals as out-of-the-box visuals. So this is the admins that create, when somebody creates a custom visual for the organization, specific custom visual, they can now pin it into the Power BI, and it will get pinned out of the box. But this is for Power BI services. Who does reports in Power BI service? Don't know. Shared uncertified datasets generally available. Data lineage, I'll show you. I showed you in a video what data lineage was. I'm going to link down below. It came out in October 2019, and it is for, again, enterprise, when you are sharing databases or data sets for multiple reports, for multiple dashboards. When you are then updating them, you need to know what happens if I make this change, because you could break several reports. So you need to go and check them and say, okay, can I actually delete that? So this is great. And they say they are going to improve the look and feel and all kinds of stuff. So this is a good thing. Data protection. You will be able to classify and label Power BI dashboards, reports, and data sets, set specific label, specific permissions on exported files. And okay, so this is like again, enterprise users like warning, like this is restricted data, this is public data, do whatever. So this is a good thing. This is definitely good. Power BI Premium is going to allow datasets larger than 10 gigabytes. And it will bring Power BI dataset sizes to the parity with Azure Analysis Services model sizes. So now you know the limit there. And then XMLA read and write for Power BI Premium. That means it will allow you to get information on the Power BI datasets with third-party tools. Okay, so XMLA, they release already a preview. I don't know why it's not here, but there's something available already now. I have a video on it. I will link down below. So this is all. What are your favorite features of the roadmap? For me, it's gotta be the incremental refresh. For sure. Incremental refresh, and maybe hierarchy slicer. That would be nice. Other than that, but we have monthly updates every month, so anything can come out anyhow. So let me know in the comment box which one is your favorite update, and I will see you again on Friday with another Tax Fridays video. So until then, make sure you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.